Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to blur and enter video in CapCut. Applying a blur effect can create a soft, cinematic look and depth or help draw focus to certain parts of your video. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this effect using the CapCut desktop app. Launch the CapCut desktop app, click New Project to start editing. Then hit the import button on the left panel to upload your video. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline at the bottom. Go to the Effects tab on the left sidebar. You can either browse or use the search bar to find the blur effect. Once you see it, click and drag the blur effect onto the timeline or tap plus button. You can place it directly above or on top of your video clip. Stretch the blur effect layer so it covers the full length of your video. Click on the blur effect in the timeline to select it. On the right hand section panel, choose Mask and tap Add Mask. And now you can use the Blur Intensity slider to adjust how strong or soft the blur appears. Preview the changes with the playback controls to get the look you want. Optional, more creative control. If you want to get creative, here are two extra tips. To blur only part of the video, use masking tools with the blur effect. To blur just the background, duplicate your video layer. Blur the bottom one. And use a mask on the top layer to keep the subject in focus. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Export button, choose your resolution, format and other settings, then click Export again to save your video to your computer. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.